Hello friends, now this is video number 14. Topic is capital structure theories. The theory which we are learning is net income theory or net income approach, and this is example number 5 on net income theory of capital structure. Check out the example. Example is in front of you. Assuming there are no taxes and given EBIT, interest, that is the cost of debt, at 10%, and equity capitalization rate, that is a KE, is given below. Calculate the total market value of each firm. So here some information is given to us. What is given to us? First assumption they have made that there are no taxes. But already that is a basic assumption in net income approach. Given EBIT, means EBITs are given to you here in this example. Interest rate is 10%. And equity capitalization rate also is given below. So you can check out this table. In this table, check out firm is given. 4 different firms are there: X, Y, Z, and W. EBIT of each firm is given 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, and 6 lakhs. Interest amount is given. Interest amount is 20,000, 60,000, 2 lakhs, and 2 lakhs 40,000. Here in the example, it is mentioned that interest rate is at 10%. Now, in all earlier examples, amount of debt was given and rate of interest was given. With the help of that, we calculated the amount of interest. But here, now amount of interest is given and rate of interest is given. Amount of debt is not given. But by reverse way, with the help of interest, amount of interest and interest rate, we can easily calculate amount of debt. Another thing is given is that is equity capitalization rate, that is the cost of equity. X 12%, Y 16%, Z 15%, and W 18%. So this is the given information. On the basis of that, what is asked to us? Calculate the total market value of each firm. It is asked to calculate total market value of each firm. It means basically we have to find out the value of firm itself. But here 4 different firms are given. So we have to calculate this value of firm for each of the firm. That is for X, Y, Z, and W. Now check out the solution. Solution I have made it in the columnar form. So that will become easy for all of you. Within one table we can calculate it. We know that how to calculate value of firm as per the net income approach. That is the value of equity plus value of debt. How to find out value of equity? That is a net income divided by equity capitalization rate. And what is the net income? That is the EBIT minus interest. Check out, I have made 5 columns, particulars, firm X, Y, Z, and W. EBIT minus interest is equal to net income. So check out EBIT. It is given in the example. X 2 lakhs, Y 3 lakhs, Z 5 lakhs, and W 6 lakhs. You can check out X 2 lakhs, Y 3 lakhs, Z 5 lakhs, and W 6 lakhs. Less interest. So in this example, amount of interest is directly given to us. 20,000, 60,000, 2 lakhs, and 2 lakhs 40,000. So amount of interest, X 20,000, Y 60,000, Z 2 lakhs, and Y 2 lakhs 40,000. So here we can calculate net income. That is the EBIT minus interest. So accordingly, firm X 1,80,000, Y 2 lakhs 40,000, Z 3 lakhs, and W 3 lakhs 60,000. It is nothing but EBIT minus interest. 2 lakhs minus 20,000, 3 lakhs minus 60,000, 5 lakhs minus 20,000, and 6 lakhs minus 2 lakhs 40,000. So here we have got the net income of each firm. So once we get net income, now we have to proceed for calculating value of equity. And the value of equity is net income divided by equity capitalization rate. So on the next line, I have written equity capitalization rate. These are also given in the example. You can check out X 12%, Y 16%, Z 15%, and W 18%. So X 12%, Y 16%, Z 15%, and W 18%. So these are the equity capitalization rate. Now the net income divided by equity capitalization rate is equal to market value of equity. So X 1,80,000 divided by 12%, that is equal to 15 lakhs. You can check out here. That is market value of equity. That is value of, that is a net income. Net income divided by equity capitalization rate. So 1,80,000 divided by 12%, that is equal to 15 lakhs. Y 24,000 divided by 16%, 15 lakhs. Z 3 lakhs divided by 15%, that is equal to 20 lakhs. Y 3,60,000 divided by 18% is equal to 20 lakhs. Now value of debt. We want to find out the market value of firm, total value of firm. Total value of firm is equal to value of equity plus value of debt. Value of equity just we calculated. Now value of debt are not given in the example. You can check out. Value is not given. What is given to us? Interest rate is given and interest amount is given. Means now the interest amount is say rupees 20,000 and interest rate is 10%. So with the help of this we can calculate the amount of debt capital, that capital is paying interest at the rate of 10%. So there is a X amount of equity of debt capital on which it is paying interest at the rate of 10%. And at the paying of the 10%, interest amount is 20,000. It means this 20,000 is a 10% of debt. So 20,000 divided by 10%, you will get that amount is equal to 2 lakhs. You can check out with the calculator. 20,000 divided by 10%. So debt amount for the firm X is 2 lakhs. On the same line, for Y, what will happen? 60,000 divided by 10%. Every time interest rate is a 10%. So if you calculate this, 60,000 divided by 10%, you will get 6. Like that, Z. Z, the amount of interest is 20,000. 20, that is a 20 lakhs. Sorry, 2 lakhs. Amount of interest is 2 lakhs. Interest rate is 10%. So 2 lakhs divided by 10%, that comes to 20 lakhs. 2 lakhs divided by 10%, that is equal to 20 lakhs. On the same line, if you calculate for Z, 24 lakhs divided by 18%, you will get it is 24 lakhs. So you can check out here the value of debt is calculated. That is the interest amount divided by interest rate. X 2 lakhs, Y 6 lakhs, Z 20 lakhs, and Y 24 lakhs. That is the amount of interest 22 lakhs 40,000 divided by 10%, that is equal to 24 lakhs. So here the value of firm is equal to value of equity plus value of debt. X 15 lakhs plus 2 lakhs 17 lakhs. Y 15 lakhs plus 6 lakhs is equal to 21 lakhs. Z 20 lakhs plus 20 lakhs 40 lakhs, and W 20 lakhs plus 24 lakhs is equal to 44 lakhs. So these are the value of firm which was asked us to calculate. Calculate value of each firm. So X 17 lakhs, Y 21 lakhs, Z 40 lakhs, and W 44 lakhs. So these are the value of firm. Now here also we have calculated overall cost of capital or weighted average cost of capital. That is by the alternate way of calculating overall cost of capital. That is the EBIT divided by value of firm. So EBIT 2 lakhs divided by value of firm. So 2 lakhs divided by 17 lakhs into 100 is equal to 11.6%. You can check out. I have given here the formula. You can check out H26. That is EBIT. divided by H32. H32 is value of firm. So EBIT divided by value of firm into 100, you will get the overall cost of capital. And on the same line, we have calculated the cost of each overall cost of capital of each of the firm. So this is example number 5. I hope you have understood it. It was simple example. Just we were asked to calculate the value of firm. The only thing is that instead of calculating the value of one firm, 4 different firms were given. The data about 4 different firms were given, and we have calculated the value of firm of each of the firm, and also additionally we have calculated overall cost of capital of each firm by applying the formula EBIT upon value of firm. I hope you understood it. So please go through it, solve the example once again at your end, and still if you face any difficulty or query, please feel free to write in comment or even you can email it to me. Thank you very much.